From the autobiographical writers of Al Gore's biography and from the producers of Nature's Fury comes a collection of musical tracks the likes of which the environment has never seen. Time Life presents an Inconvenient Soundtrack, a comprehensive collection of green-themed songs geared toward educating the world about weather and how it can be adversely affected by global warming.
From the classics to contemporary hits, Inconvenient Soundtrack appeals to all audiences concerned with fighting for our environment. Featuring the smooth stylings of Bobby Darin.
Somewhere beyond the sea breeze, fresh waves are waiting for me. Low pressure rises from the land and cools the coast for when I go sailing.
That's right, Bobby. The cycle of the ocean is both serene and simple. Waves are caused by wind. The sea and land breezes we all enjoy because of this wind occur along the coast when the wind is at its weakest. In specific areas like Florida, the sea breeze from the water is vital to the never-ending cycle of weather. The overheating of the earth has the potential to alter the high pressure that provides us with the best sea breeze conditions. You'll also enjoy the sweet sounds of Carol King.
I feel the earth rotate under my feet. I feel the seasons changing now, changing now. I feel the earth begin to tilt whenever it goes around.
Our Earth is a staggering 4.6 billion years old. And over these billions of years, the Earth endures 4 seasons, because it is tilted 23.5 degrees on its axis. Should global warming take full effect, we could see this tilt alter, and the structure of our seasons forever change. And here's Peter, Paul, and Mary with Leavin' on a Jet Stream.
Well, the air is flowing, it's starting to form. The winds are fast, it's getting warm. The temp is up, it's time to say goodbye. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet stream. Don't know when I'll be back again. No, no, no.
Disturbances in the jet stream cause storms which increase the temperature contrast that strengthen the jet. Should the effects of global warming continue to terrorize the Earth, the unsettled weather that already causes jet streams could become even more devastating.
Well, this atmosphere is hydrostatic, it's adiabatic, it's isothermic. While it conducts a lightning, grease lightning.
Lightning is yet another example of the mystifying weather we experience seasonally. It almost acts as a symbol. Lightning, like global warming, requires a certain level of understanding. We need to understand why it happens to protect ourselves and our environment. Most lightning does not strike the Earth, but global warming is striking us each and every day. Now here's Queen with some fresh beats.
Pressure pushing down on me, pressing down on you. No isobars. Low pressure brings the temperature down. La la da ba dee da ba da. The Coriolis force is what it's all about. Watching the wind flow move in and out, in and out.
As most distinguished scientists know, low pressure forms when the air is very warm. The general circulation is the foundation of all wind patterns across the planet. In the event of severe overheating of the Earth's surface, the isobars, or lines which denote forces of equal pressure, would blur, rendering it difficult for scientists and meteorologists to predict wind and weather patterns. You'll also enjoy the sounds of vanilla ice.
Stop! Condensate and listen. Ice is going and it's going to a liquid. So now it's going to melt, vaporize, evaporate, and sublimate.
So act now, and for only a fraction of the cost of sponsoring a child in Africa, you can have this 4-disc, 50-song collection titled An Inconvenient Soundtrack. Just for one easy payment of $29.99. And of course an annual consumer fee of $9.99. Because let's face it, playing these CDs will waste needed electricity that could be saved for fighting global warming.
There is no unifying consensus over whether or not mankind is directly causing the increase of global climate.
Much of the recent warming can be related to the increase of sun activity in the atmosphere.
The rise in CO2 cannot be held accountable for the increase in global temperature. It has been much warmer in the past with lower levels of CO2 in the atmosphere.
This proves that temperature does not necessarily drive
Wake up.